Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Doodle's Face and Body Art. On this video, I'll be showing you how to paint this calla lily design. I'll be using the following products, but keep in mind that you don't need to have the exact same colors or brushes to achieve this design. I'll be showing you some alternatives throughout this video. If you don't have an angled brush in hand, the technique for making a calla lily will work with any size flat brush. For the one-stroke cake, just make sure you choose one with high contrasting colors, as it will give you a more defined flower. If you are using an angled brush, make sure you load the lighter color on the long end of the bristles. To begin painting the calla lily, with the lighter color on the outer edge, place your brush at a 90-degree angle, press down and curve the brush as you pull down. Repeat this stroke but in the opposite direction to complete the other side of the flower. It doesn't matter which side you begin with. To make the center of the flower, you're going to make a V-stroke, making sure the lighter color is still at the top. When layering paint, it is best if the first layer is completely dry before adding onto it. It'll prevent your colors from mixing. To quickly dry the area, just take a dry sponge and dab it. You're going to place this V-stroke a little bit past the half mark of your flower and connect it to the edge of the previous stroke. I find it easier to start in the middle and go out, but you can definitely start from the edge to the center. You can leave the flower as is at this point, or you can add an additional stroke to the left side of the flower. This stroke is similar to the first one we created, except it's shorter and a little bit more slanted. Begin this stroke right on the edge of the first layer. To create the yellow spike, use a round brush and paint a teardrop. To create the flower in the center, you're going to do what's called a double dip. Take your floral brush and give it a good load in the white paint. Then wipe off the tip either on a napkin, a baby wipe, or even a sponge. And reload just the tip with the second color. If you don't have a floral brush, you can also use a thick round brush like a number 4, 5, or a 6 and simply load it the same way. Once your flowers are done, finalize the design by adding details like swirls, leaves, teardrops, and dots. You can also outline the calla lilies to make them more pronounced. This design can also be adapted to the face. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.